is a house that we've admired for quite some time, my husband and I. And we would drive by this house quite often, and Tim said, someday I want to get that house. The house was built in 1953. It's a mid-century modern home, so that lends itself to lots of windows and the open feel and everything. So we really didn't change the footprint of the building, of the house. We left it the way it was and just modified the interior and replaced all the windows. You didn't know what you were going to find once you started renovating the whole process. The thing that did go easy were the windows, because we really just fit the windows into existing openings, and I think that is one thing that I and my husband were very happy with, because there wasn't any major construction to get the windows to work. You guys worked with the existing structure and you made it work, which made it easy for us. So that was a fantastic relief. In our commercial experience, we had a history with Marvin. So going into this house, it was natural to use them again. Some of the benefits of choosing Marvin products are the fact that the old windows had a very large, beefy window mullion. And one of our goals was to minimize that so that it wouldn't obstruct our view. So in coming to you, Reno, and looking at Marvin windows, we were able to work with you and figure out that the mullions didn't have to be that big. They weren't structural. So we were able to incorporate much thinner mullions so that you had a much better sight line and everything. We chose Woodland Windows and Doors to install our Marvin windows just because of the good feeling we had in contacting you, and the reputation that you had. You've been in the business for a long time. We were familiar with you and your location, and we just felt very comfortable with it. We've experienced through our commercial trade, a lot of bad contractors, and it was just that initial feeling of working with you. Our experience working with the Woodland Trade Group was, in a word, great. The installation did go as planned. I think what we experienced was a very prompt response to when you were going to come out here and do the installation. You had said it was going to be about a 4-day job. You had 2 crews out here to get the job done in those 4 days. Never, if you took a window out, you put the new window in, so never was this property compromised or unprotected. So it was prompt, it was efficient, and worked out great. The whole renovation process is very exciting for my husband and I. We do enjoy the journey as much as the end result. So it was wonderful. It's very comfortable living here. It's the perfect size, the perfect environment. So it's our forever home now, and we couldn't be happier.